Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I will show you how to add and set up a new map in the RPG Engine project. We will be using the default map from the third-person template as our example. First, let's set up the game mode. I've created a special actor and done a script for it that will handle most of the work when adding a new map. You no longer need to worry about making sure all objects are placed on positive X and Y coordinates. The RPG Engine project is finally free of this limitation. Thank you so much for your feedback on this. Find this new actor in the content browser and drag it onto your map. Position it roughly in the center. First, let's define the boundaries of the minimap screenshot. You can adjust the size of these boundaries using the minimap width parameter. Once you have everything configured, click the Update Positions button. You will need to add two of these actors in total, one for the minimap and another for the world map. These actors are used to mark the boundaries for the level screenshot. Now let's configure the world map settings. I'll be renaming the map size parameter to world map size in the next update. The world map uses a 16:9 aspect ratio. Alright, everything is set up. Now it's time to generate the screenshot. In the content browser, select any asset, then right-click and find the Generate Map Textures function. If you only need to populate the database with the new data and don't want to regenerate the images, set the Regenerate Images parameter to false. After you click OK, you will need to wait a few seconds for the process to complete. A quick heads up, in Unreal Engine version 5.61, adding a high-resolution render target to a map can significantly fill up your video memory. The only way to clear it currently is to restart the project. I believe this is an Unreal Engine bug that will likely be fixed in future updates. Next, let's check and update the information in our DT Maps container data table. To avoid zero alpha values in the generated textures, set the min alpha parameter to 1. Leave the engine data field unchanged. You can divide your map into sections. To differentiate them, let's change some materials. Now let's create a preview image for the new map. Let's create preview images for the map sections. These sections are useful because when a player saves their game in a specific location, the load game slot will show a preview image for the exact area. Now we need to add an actor called World Sections. This actor allows you to virtually divide the level into sections. The physical location of this actor in the level doesn't matter. Next, add the serial collision box components and position them across the map. It's very important that the name and tag of each collision box exactly match the name of the level section previous screenshot. Important: don't add the T prefix to the name and tag.
Still feel a thing when I look you in your eye. They say that
Now select the textures we just created, right-click on them and choose the function Fill Maps Database with the zones. And it worked. That's all there is to it. Let's test it out. Okay, I see an issue. We generated the level textures too early, before we finished modifying the level's layout. It won't hurt to reinforce the lesson by generating the minimap and world maps textures one more time. You can make the capture area for the minimap slightly larger than the actual playable area to avoid this edge effect on the minimap. I think in future updates I will figure out a simpler way to just stop the minimap texture from moving when the player gets too close to the edge. Okay, I see a small bug. I probably mixed up the section names. Let's fix that right now. Yep, that was it.
Keep your eye on the tape, cause the ones that never give just proceed and they thank you. Smile but they fake it. I know when it's fake it ain't hard to tell when they only want pain. Thinking like lanes, always with the reins. If I drop the nice guy at you will be shaking. I can spell it out in the stars for you vaguely. Still you forgive me like you don't know what I'm saying. Crowds get to breaking, tectonic quaking. Even on a good day, you don't wanna face me. Bones get you scared now. With my head down, real treat, camera on the plate, still it stand out. Oh, evaporate to the night, watch me smoke. Cold corpse on ice, catch it froze. It's a dead man's delight, you chose. When the pale moonlight, watch me boat. Evaporate to the night, watch me smoke. Cold corpse on ice, catch it froze. It's a dead man's delight, you chose. When the pale moonlight, but yeah, yeah.
If a player saves their game outside the area of the Any World sections actor, the load slot preview will default to showing the main level preview image. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.